we're trying to wait for the rain to stop, but I don't think it's gonna stop. So gotta head out in the rain. Gotta beat the sun. Gotta sprint out there. All right, do that. Out of breath. Good morning, everyone. Hustling out to the bait spot. We're waiting inshore for the rain to pass. So we launched in a little bit of rain, but got out here pretty quick. It's 5:29 already, so hopefully we beat the bait out, but we shall see. Oh, gross. This guy spit out a trumpet fish. Look at that. Nuts. I'm on him in like one.
Make piles of it. Come out soon.
Oh, nice. 4-banger. Alright, get throw you a couple for now. I got one on deck and one in here. Or a couple.
Oh, look at him, man.
Yeah. Of course. Hold on, let me get out of your way. We might kiss a little bit. No, you're good. Stay right there. My line's out and back anyway, so if you stay nice and close, I can just chuck them onto your yak.
Oh shit. Sounds like they've been good action. Oh yeah.
Oh no, double. Oh, wow, this thing's running hard. Like 50 feet maybe. Trying to spin me around a little. Hopefully that means he's doing circle work. That'd be nice. Oh no! What? That was a good fish too.
Bro, what happened?
I don't know, I had him on wire and it broke above the swivel.
Oh
shit. Shit, he's doing circle work already too. You can't say for sure, but I think so. I hope it's the fish I just lost.
They get the hook inside them, man.
50 feet.
Double, double.
Holy shit, I'm caring about this one instead.
Oh no, the one on the top row.
Normally I don't keep uluas, but we had a request for one this time, so we'll keep just one today. Taking off your jacket. That has to be about the best way I know to make it start raining again. A really big goat would be nice. Like a collie, Mona collie, that'd be dope. Really, I just want to see what's down there. There's so much marks down there, I have to like take a peek. Oh, good size Vicky Nono. Yeah, pretty good size Vicky Nono there. Just give him a little. What the hell was that? Is that a freaking shark? It's always nice to grab these late day baits. Something buzzing through. Ooh. Loaded up. Oh yeah, stud uku. Oh baby. Ow! Ow! Let go! Ow! To shove my knife in his mouth. Nice perfect side pocket, corner of the mouth hook set. My hands in his gills. I don't want to lose this guy. This guy's a gem. Oh yeah, that fatty. Yes, that's a fat uku. Freaking made a hole in my shoe. See how bad of the hole he made in my foot is, dick. Oh damn. It bit me good. Didn't draw blood though. It wasn't letting go. Oh yeah, this guy's a stud.
Oh, man, you think that?
Yeah, pretty close. Maybe even a shade over.
Oh, that bird kind of scared me. Man, I need to do something about this fish finder. I don't really like this mount. So I was using this swivel mount before, which I liked better. It gave a little more space, but I was using it with this trackball mount, and it keeps breaking, so don't buy that. I'm trying this aluminum one now, and I'll keep you guys posted on that.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Feet.
This here is why there's been no underwater pics. This camera is driving me nuts.
Another nice uku. Better start pushing around before I lose them. Oh yeah, another nice uku. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Well, that hook is goners. Almost a twin. A tiny bit smaller, maybe? I don't know. Nice fish. Beautiful. Looks like we just missed an ono. Yeah, that wire is no good. Maybe we can get lucky on fluoro. Never know. Oh, at least that Moana, the Vekinono came off, but holy crap, what the hell? Nuts. Dude, you should see this fish I just caught. It has like wings.
Oh, for real? It's not what, mixed hybrid flying fish.
Oh, it's like a freaking owl or something. I don't know if I want to touch it.
Where you got them? On the downrigger or on the surface?
Yeah, I had like 2 Vekinonos and a lizard fish on, and then this thing with wings.
Stupid broken camera.
Huh. Crazy. Let you go.
I was so intrigued by this thing I had to look it up. So I found out it's an Oriental Flying Grenard. Not super rare or anything, but still a really cool catch.
I always think too, like, no matter what happens, you know, what happened on the fish before, however you lost it, you cannot fight this next fish in.
Hanapa! I swam by this, I pedaled by this thing so long time ago. Who knows how long that was making me not catch fish. No good pelagics today, but all in all a pretty successful day. Got 2 nice ukus, so just troll these around a bit. Something seems to be bothering those baits right now. It's like 9:15. Probably head in pretty soon. Cooler's pretty full, so no sense to be too greedy. Maybe we'll just troll these 2 baits around for another half an hour or so, and maybe start heading in a little before 10. Anyway, yeah, I guess we'll be back if there's more action, but if not, this might be the sign off. Oh! Oh, double.
Nice. Wow, that's crazy. You even knocked the hook up at the exact same time.
Busting my balls. About 150. Water's so green I can't see anything. Oh no, I'm on the line. Oh, damn, it's just a huge lure. What Max caught.
What is that there?
What did Max catch?
He kind of moved far from me. I couldn't see. The sign's fighting for a bit, so I don't know if he got him off yet.
Gotta be real careful. These guys, their tails are so sharp. Oh! I was gonna let him go anyway, but I wanted to get that hook out for him. He'll probably rust out anyway. Gotta make sure he goes down though. Uh-oh. I wanna make sure he goes down. Oh, this guy's massive. Damn, that's a big fish. Big fish. I'm gonna poke in the belly. The air out. Yeah, there you go, buddy. Swim down, baby. Oh, the guy was big, probably like 60 plus.
What's that? That's a monster.
Super irritating right here. He feels tuckered out already.
From fighting Rodney the rod holder.
I wouldn't be surprised if this is another Ulua. Yeah, another Ulua.
Showing out a monster. Might as well let him go. Let the lad guys catch those.
This guy should be okay. If you're a shore guy and you see a little tiny perforation in the belly, come comment on my vids. Might be one of the ones we threw back. Swim. Yeah. Atta boy. Yeah, the first one was over 60. The second one was maybe like a little over 40.
Oh shit, those two alone 100 pounds already.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell.